We have a lot of frogs in the backyard. We can hear them at night.
Frogs are such cool animals, and they're great indicators of so much that's happening in our environment. And I also have a soft spot for some of our slimy friends that some people don't appreciate. I love frogs.
Yes, she does.
So I know that Logan really loves frogs, and so I came up with a project that would help attract more frogs to their property.
Logan, she is a frog. What would you say she is? What?
A frog fan.
Frog fan.
Yeah.
She loves frogs, and it was your idea to kind of make this. What are we calling this?
Frog resort, frog hotel, you know.
A place where frogs feel safe and welcomed. Kind of take me through what are we doing here, and I guess more importantly, why?
Okay, this is a really simple way to attract wildlife to your yard. These are pieces of PVC, just regular plumber's PVC, and tree frogs love to hide out in here. This is actually a method that amphibian biologists use to capture frogs.
But why would a frog climb in this, Carrie?
So tree frogs are like being kind of vertical.
Yep.
This is similar to a tree. They're going to be attracted to the moisture inside it.
So there'll always be at least this amount of water in here.
Yeah.
Because we have a little bit of a drain right here.
Exactly. It'll be a nice humid environment. The frogs can climb in here, and then predators can't get down in there. So it's a safe place for them to hang out and stay cool and not get eaten.
We're really just kind of attaching this to this piece of 2x4 that we cut. This side, I've got a larger hole where I can get the screw through there. And I just have a little bit of a pilot hole in the back there to start it out so we don't crack the PVC. There we go, I think that's good right there.
Yeah, it's great.
Voila.
Yeah.
Frog
There we go.
hotel.
Yeah, do-it-yourself frog hotel.
So this will hang on her fence and it will attract frogs.
Yeah.
So this is one version, kind of on the fence. Tell us about this other version here, Carrie.
So this is kind of the more traditional frog tube or frog hotel that you might see. We've got a little bit longer length of PVC, cut it at an angle. So we'll just put these in the ground.
Okay.
And so they'll go up and say this is ground level, and they'll just hang out just like this. And so the frogs can climb up and hang out, and you can look down at them and check on them.
So a little bit of a 90 elbow at the end there.
That's right, little frog periscope.
Frog periscope.
Exactly.
All right, well, let's get these installed.